Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, happy Holi celebrations and welcome to the 48th episode of Campus This Week. I am Arjani from English Department Sonada, 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. First MoU College Team from South India visits Salesian College. Dr. Subhajit Paul, HOD Mathematics Department reports.
A 5-member management and faculty delegation from Holy Cross Women's College Tiruchirappalli visited both campuses of Salesian College Siliguri and Sonada from 11th to 15th March 2022. Members included Principal Sister Dr. Christina Bridget, Vice Principal Dr. Mary Jayanti, Dean of Student Affairs Dr. Ruby Merlin, IQAC Coordinator Dr. H. Iona Avadal, and Assistant Professor of Psychology Sister Bridget Chelladurai. After visiting both Sonada and Siliguri campuses, they signed an MoU with Salesian College on 14th March 2022. The visitors had several interactive sessions with management, faculty members, and student council members. Some of the salient points of collaboration agreed upon include more to and fro travel of faculty members and students from either college, collaborative research, seminar, and conferences. Holy Cross College wants to send students for internship in Salesian Radio. Holy Cross College wants a physics teacher from Salesian College to visit their campus as part of an exchange program. They want to have it as a 2-week certificate course. Holy Cross College offered to help the Department of English at Siliguri with a visiting faculty from their campus. Salesian students could visit and participate in the centennial celebration at Holy Cross College, which is due next year.
Lacroix Memorial Lecture held in both campuses. Aditi Agrawal of Mass Comm Department 2nd semester reports from Siliguri.
Salesian College Siliguri campus held the Lacroix Memorial Lecture 2022 on the topic People and Culture in Organizations, Joy and Challenges on 12th March 2022 at the Marengo Hall. Salesian alumnus and the HR Director of People and Culture, Adhyay Aerospace Private Limited, Mr. Sabu Joseph was the guest speaker. Mr. Joseph spoke on the different aspects of emotional, economical, competitive, as well as the practical components involved in the stability of an organization, where people and prevailing work culture need the biggest foundations. Mr. Joseph had a second presentation of the Lacroix Memorial Lecture in the Sonada campus on 14th March, followed by a third lecture for commerce students on 15th March 2022. Italian Salesian Father Nicholas Lacroix was 8th principal of Salesian College between 1959 and 1966. He died in Kolkata at the age of 88 on 14th March 2010.
College bids farewell to girls' hostel warden. Purnima Limbu of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri community bids farewell to Sister Nemi Mary, who was hostel warden for 6 years. A short farewell program was held to wish her goodbye on Thursday 17th March. The evening program consisted of a holy mass with the father and student brothers. It was followed by a short farewell gathering at Nazrat Block, followed by dinner with the management.
Sonada, book on psychology launched. Siddhi Singh of Mass Communication 4th semester reports.
Salesian College Research and Publication Center Sonada launched the book Back to the Future, Hypnotherapy for Psychotrauma Management, authored by the Rector of Salesian Student Sonada, Dr. Father James Mullikinal. Extracts of a doctoral thesis under the same title. The book contains therapeutic practices in dealing with adolescent criminals in the Philippines. The author used hypnotherapy as a way of reaching the altered state of consciousness during which healing from trauma took place. Father Mullikinal was awarded PhD degree from University of Santo Tomas, Manila in the Philippines in 2012.
College Farm Products gets faculty customers. Manhun Langlingdo of Psychology 4th semester reports.
Organic farm products of the Salesian College Siliguri have found satisfied faculty customers who regularly visit vegetable farm near Science Block. They collect garden fresh items of their choice. The popular farm products consist of potatoes, both small and bigger varieties, beans and green peas, cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, beetroot, and salad leaves. Earlier in February, fresh pork was made available from College Animal Farm.
College Carpentry completes over 100 desks and 30 tables. Some 300 chairs are in the making. Virendra Kerkata of Mass Communication 6th semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri Carpentry has manufactured and delivered some 50 desks and 100 chairs for the new classrooms. Another 50 desks and 100 chairs are being completed. They are also manufacturing tables for the Sky Restaurant at the end of Savio Block, which is to be opened shortly. There is a team of 9 carpenters at work behind Don Bosco Block.
Those are the latest news for our campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.